If your app design is a masterpiece stuck in Figma, you're just a step away from bringing it to life. Imagine transforming your sleek Figma designs into dynamic Flutter applications. It's not just a pipe dream, it's totally doable, and we're here to guide you through it. First, let's talk about the magic tool Figma-to-Flutter plugins. These plugins are like your tech fairy godmother, effortlessly converting your designs into Flutter code. No more switching between Figma and your code editor, losing time and temper. Why Flutter, you ask? Flutter allows for one codebase for both iOS and Android, which means faster development time, smoother animations, and ultimately, a unified app experience. Here's your action plan. Start by installing a Figma-to-Flutter plugin. Next, fine-tune the generated code to ensure it aligns perfectly with your original design intent. Sounds technical? Fear not. The plugin handles the heavy lifting and you handle the creativity. To sum up, with the right tools and a bit of coding know-how, your Figma designs can evolve from static visuals to interactive cross-platform apps. Ready to make the leap? Your app's future users are waiting.